this video, I will show you how to identify whether it's even function or odd function. So what does it mean by even function and what does it mean by odd function? So we have the formula, this is even function. So even function means we have f of x equals to f of x. And if you try with f and with the opposite of x, you still get f of x. Okay, that's even function. Odd function. Of course, f of x still stay as f of x. F of negative x. And the reason I purposely use negative, but that's not right. We should call it as opposite of x, because I don't want you guys always keep in mind that it has to be negative value, but any value of x that's opposite to original one. Okay, and then we will get f negative f of x. For the output, yes, it will be negative f of x, or the opposite. Well, with this one, not enough for us to understand, right? So on the side, I will make an example for you guys. Okay, so if I give you f of x equals x squared, and I ask you to determine whether this is even function or odd function or neither. So what I can do, I plug in f of x for the first one, and of course it will stay as x squared. And then I will try with f and with the opposite of x, and I plug it in, I get negative x, everything square, it's also give me x squared. So these two is still the same as f of x. Therefore, this one is even function. Okay, the second one. But if now I give you f of x equals x cubed, and then I do the same thing to determine whether it's even or odd. So you have f of x equals x cubed. The same thing, right? And second one, I try with f of the opposite of x. So I have the opposite of x raised to the cube power. And then we get negative x cubed. And this one actually, it can become negative and then x cubed. But we already know x cubed equivalent to f of x. So then I can rewrite it as negative f of x. So what we see is when we plug in f of negative opposite x, we get negative f of x. And according to the rule, this is odd function. Alright, so hopefully this video helped you understand about how to determine even function and odd function.